welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a natural makeup look. This is going to be a very light makeup to just cover the little spots on the face. So follow me, let me show you step by step how I do this for everyday makeup look. I always start with my brows, so I'm going to draw my brows and then conceal it. Next, I'm going to go in and clean my brow using my concealer, the same concealer I used in the previous video. I'm going to blend through with my little brush. And then go through again with my eyebrow brush. This concealer kind of matches my skin very well and I like it. The brows are now looking more like natural. I like them very light, not very dark or deep. So this is how I've got them and it's okay for me, for my natural look. I'm going to start my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the same concealer that I used for the eyebrow. I'm going to go in with my little brush again. So the concealer has more or less disappeared because it matches my skin tone. I'm going to go in with my brown powder on top of it before I start my eyeshadow. So to go with my eyeshadow, today's look, I'm going with a Cali Bibel's eye palette, deluxe edition. So that's what I'm going to use today. And the color I'm going in with is this one. Look kind of like light brown or a little bit of dark brown. I'm going to go in with that one alone, and then I'm going to add a little bit of like another brown like glitter onto it. So if you look at it, it looks more or less like there is no eyeshadow, but there is, because it kind of matches a little bit of my skin and I don't want it to look so much of eyeshadow, just light of it. So that's what I'm using. So I'm done applying it. To make it stand out and not disappear completely, I'm going to add a little bit of this shimmer. It looks a little bit like gold, but it's not. So I'm going to add it to the center of the eyeshadow here, just a little bit, and then blend it in to my little brush again. So you see that is there, but it's not a lot of it, so because it's very light, just going natural. So now I'm done with my eye. Look like my eyelashes are quite a bit long, so it makes my eyes stand up a little bit. So I'm going to go in with a primer onto my face. It says Soft Focus Boutique Primer. So now that my face has absorbed all the primer, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to put it on the spots that I have on my face to cover it. I use just a little amount, just a very little one, onto the places that have the spots, and then I'm going to go in with this brown one. It's able to hide a lot of marks, so I like it. I'm going to go in with my brush. Look, you see that the marks have disappeared. I have more dark spot on my forehead, so that's why I put a little bit quite more. So for today's foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal True Match. I'm going to press just a little bit onto my brush. So this is all the foundation I'm going to use today, just very tiny of it onto the whole of my face, because I'm going like a very light makeup look. The marks are already covered, so it would be good for me to use just very light amount of foundation. So I'm going to go in with it. So I have foundation on, but if you look well, you think I don't have anything, because that match my skin, and it's just a very light of it I'm using. So to conceal under my eye today, I'm going to use this PS Perfect color. This is from Primark. It's very cheap. I had it for almost a year now, but it's really good. I'm going to go in with the brown one at the side. Using my beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with the brush onto the brown one. Brown one is very good that it helps so much onto my forehead. It helps to cover a lot of the dark. I used to have very dark around here a lot, but it has covered it all, looking all natural. So for my powder, I'm going to use this powder I mixed in a Technique color with Sasha powder. I mixed 2 powders to make this, to match my skin. Just a little bit of it today. It has a very soft look. I'm going to go onto the cheek with this brown powder. Next, I'm going to use the Cali Bible palette again. I'm going to use this golden shimmer. It's a contour. And then combine with a little bit of this onto my face. My lip liner. Go in with my lipstick, also in a chocolate color. Almost done. I'm going to spray in my oil control. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Leave a comment down below. Also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.